Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is a layout update. Got a station building, fine, made by a very good friend of mine. Oh, now need a platform, I put it on. Just for photographic reason, having the Pullman with Bitten. But track's now pretty much nailed down. Next phase will be ballast. And we've got grass, and then obviously fences, bushes. As I take it out of the ladle. So yeah, it's going to be a car park there eventually, but I'll get proper scale cars. These are logos stationary. But yeah, there'll be bushes there as well. Signal box. Buffer stops at the end of the lines there. This is basically like a little railway museum. This is going to be. I'll do more grass here as well eventually. I'll get around to it. So yeah, that's what's happening so far. Like the track's all. I'm not going to nail down the power track because the idea is eventually use standard track and solder a positive and negative to the track to a double controller on each one. So yeah, so then if I want to set up a little oval somewhere, I've got some power track to do the oval. So yeah, cheers for watching. Short little video with a nice little one, close up a Bitten before we go. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be looking at something I don't know what yet, but we'll get there, so we'll decide then. So catch you in a bit in the next video, but like and subscribe and tune in. Bye everybody.